Hi you guys, welcome back to another organization video. Yes, I've recently wanted to add more organizing into my videos because I have loads of things in my house that are unorganized and very messy. And I just don't want that anymore. So today me and you, we're on this journey together. Tackling on, it's already falling. My makeup bag. This is my makeup bag. And we are going to be doing kind of an ASMR video. I will have ASMR sounds. And yeah, I'm going to be organizing all of my lip products. So let's get started. Here is my makeup bag empty. I don't know what that pink thing is. Now, this is the bag where all of my lip products are going to be going. It says Simple Wish, and it has all of these floral patterns on it, and I got it from Amazon. Will it fit all of my lip products? I'm not sure. Okay. We have a lot of lip products. Look at all that. That's a lot. Okay. So, first things first, I want to put the ones that I don't use or like that much in the bottom. So we have this e.l.f. Ooh. Matte finish. We have another e.l.f. and another e.l.f. Next we have this Juicy Balm Simple Lip Gloss. I want to say all of these lip products are vegan. So yeah. Smells like peppermint. Then we have this I Drew Care Glow Easy. To be honest, I think we need to make a throw out pile because I would throw this away. So I think that we're going to do that. The ones that I don't like, we're going to put in here to throw away. Then we have this from Lime Crime. It is a red lipstick. Like a blood red. Then we have this NYX Clear Fat Oil, or yeah, that's what it's called. Smells kind of gross. Then we have this CoverGirl Yummy Gloss. It's not my favorite because it's clear. But I have to admit, this is really yummy. It smells good and it feels so thick on the lips. And then we have its twin, orange and purple. That sounds like pooping. That literally sounds like pooping. Then we have this Winky Lux, one of my favorite makeup brands. Clear lip gloss with stars and glitter in it. It's very beautiful. Then we have this Crystal Aura lip oil. Smells like cucumbers. Then we have one of my favorites from Winky Lux, this beautiful glittery lip gloss. I love this shade and what it looks like on me, and it smells really good as well. Then we have this About Face lip gloss as well. Then I have this Wet Cherry, one of my favorite makeup brands as well. This beautiful shade of orange. And it smells like cherries and it's really nice. We have a Winky Lux beautiful red shade. then we have not one, but two of these Winky Lux makeups. We have this shade in this rainbow. Woo, 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 woo. Look at this. Beautiful shade. It doesn't smell like anything though. And on the lips, it's really nice. Oh, and now I can't close it. And now I have dog hair on it. And then we have this watermelon shade. And this one is amazing. It's such a beautiful color. Then I have this NYX Fat Oil in this shade of brown. I have CoverGirl Clean Fresh in this deep color. I have this almost empty Wet Cherry lip gloss in this beautiful alien glitter color. One of my favorites because it just looks like alien guts. I have this Wet Cherry almost empty pink lip gloss. I have this Wet n Wild glittery little tube of lip gloss. A bug just tried to fly on it. I have this Wet Cherry gold and silver. I'm pretty sure this was for New Year's lip glosses. I do not have a favorite metal. I love them both, so these are perfect. I have this Rem Beauty lip gloss in this beautiful glittery shade. Also smells like peppermint. Speaking of REM Beauty, I have this clear lip gloss with this beautiful weird applicator. Love. I have this CoverGirl Clean Girl in this shade of like orange. Have this Wet Cherry purpley shade. Look at it. Smells good and it looks good and it feels good. Love. I have this small Winky Lux, this beautiful shade, this beautiful mysterious purple. Then I have this e.l.f. Jelly Pop in this like watermelon color. It smells like watermelon and it was like limited edition. Don't you love the ASMR sounds though? Because I do. I have this clear lip gloss Look at that. Look how wet it is. It's like, it's just really juicy, and it just is perfect for a like overcoat. I have this NYX fat oil in this beautiful deep shade of brown. Look at that. It's really nice. I have this Winky Lux, beautiful purple shade. I have this Wet Cherry, this like nude type of shade, I'd say this is. I have this NYX fat oil in this in this beautiful brown and glittery shade. Love it. I have this Winky Lux pink shade. Barbie, it gives me. One, I have this one. It is this pink and glittery rose gold type of shade. And surprisingly, that is it. We just organized my entire lip gloss. So this is the bag. And this is how full it is. Now let's zip it up. Ba-da-da. I am very happy about this. It was well due. So please, let me know if you like these organizing videos, because I have loads of other things that I do need to organize, and I would love to organize them on camera because I feel like that motivates me more. I am a thinker. I'm a deep thinker. I am always in my head, whether it's a good thing or a bad thing. And instead of thinking about doing it, I just do it. But doing it on camera is way more motivating to do, and it makes it way more fun. So I do hope you guys enjoy. This was my first type of ASMR. I tried to lower my voice, and I tried to just like be more quiet. Let me know if you like it, and if you want me to do maybe more ASMR. I have jokingly made ASMR like jokingly saying I would do it. So let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't. Also, my birthday is 3 days away. So please subscribe because I have loads of birthday videos coming up. I also have a try-on video coming up in the future as well. And it's different than my usual try-on videos. So that's pretty exciting. And my Instagram is UnoAngry1 and my Cash App is Happy Love. So I'm gonna kiss you goodbye.